Hi there, Dory Sukup here. Welcome again to the bright idea in this month's inspiration moment. See, I have my Santa hat already. I have to tell you before I get into the bright idea, my team just came by this morning and they all bought a bunch of ugly Christmas sweaters. Check this out. This is so funny. Check it. We took a picture actually, and we're gonna do an ugly sweater contest. So for those of you who are gonna take a picture and go and share it with us, we're going to pick a winner, and the winner is going to get a very huge gift. I'm giving away one leap ahead ticket away. That's $2,900 away. So make sure you take your picture with your ugly sweater, and if you want, you can always wear your Santa hat and post it or share it with us, and make sure you tag us and do all that good stuff. We're gonna send an email blast about it actually and make sure that you participate so you can get your hands on that leap ahead ticket. The next leap ahead is in February. So go find the ugliest sweater you can imagine, put it on, and then share it with us, because we're gonna pick a winner before Christmas and announce the winner before we actually take our Christmas break. So go ahead and get it done. Let's see how ugly you can get, how ugly of a sweater I should say you can get. So talking about ugly, sometimes the profit line is ugly. We don't want that. In this month's bright idea, I'm talking about how to plump up your profit line. We don't want to just plump up the face, the lips and the cheeks and all that good stuff. We want to plump up profits. So how do we plump up profits? It's actually very easily by planning and monitoring your finances. So I did a webinar called How to Gain Financial Health. I want to invite you to go and see it in case you missed it. It's available now as a replay. It was actually live, and we actually videotaped it so you can tap into it at any time at your convenience, because many people couldn't join us during the time that we actually had it on. But I want to advise you in this bright idea to start monitoring your numbers. Start paying attention to your financials. Start watching your P&L statements. Making sure that you have the report every single month to know exactly where you are. Making sure you have your budget. So during this 1-hour webinar, I actually went over the entire process of what it would take to really monitor your finances. So I want to encourage you to go and do and watch it. Now, it's not free. It is $49, but it's the best $49 that you would pay to gain what numbers you really need to be monitoring and how you should manage your finances so your business is not managing them instead. So make sure you go and watch it. To register, all you have to do is go to InSPArationManagement.com, check it out, watch the webinar, and then if you have any questions, you can always give us a call and let us help you. I want 2020 to be your best year yet, and it really starts with getting a handle on your finances. So go check it out. Let us know if you have any questions, and I want to wish you again a great holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and stay tuned for the Dory Recommends. Until then, stay inspired.